Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have a kind of a first impressions video on a watch that was sent to me by a.b.art. a.b.art is a watch brand that was found in Freiburg in 1991, then relocated to Biel in Switzerland in 2003. And they specialize in combining minimalism with Bauhaus design. They actually won multiple design awards like the Red Dot Design or the German Design Award. And they sent me this watch to review and to keep afterwards. So it's a sponsored video. And this watch, which is the Freiburg 265 jump date, is currently on sale for 128 euros. You will find the link in the description below. So let's start first off with the dimensions. Oops, got to keep that 10 to 2 or 10 to 10. Dimensions are as follows: 41 millimeter diameter. You have a lug to lug of 47, thickness around 6.5, and a lug width of 20 millimeters. So that's the basic dimensions. You have also some loom on both the hour and minute hand, which is quite okay. You have 4 colors from this model. You have the black PVD, which is this one. You have the steel with white dial. You have the gold plated with white dial. What you get for your 128 euros is a Swiss Ronda 715 quartz movement, which is quite a good movement. You have 3 Atmos water resistance. You have a scratch resistant sapphire crystal in the front. And of course you get this German Bauhaus design. But I think the coolest thing about the watch, or the most attractive thing about the watch, is the date function. If you look at the date function, you can deduct 2 things. First off is that, let me be sure that I'm not in the wrong position when switching the date. So I go to the second position and I jump the date. And the idea is that you not only have like a very cool date concept, but you also know where you are in the week or in the month. So basically the first week of the month, second week of the month, and so on, just by a glance of the watch, which is quite nice as well. So it's kind of and of course, if you know the first day of the month was on a Monday, so you can know that the 8th day of the month is on a Tuesday. That's also something that I really like about the watch. What I also like is that you get a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer, from a.b.art. And I really also like the concept of having a thin watch, which gives you a little bit of Nomos vibes, but at the same time has its own feeling with the black PVD, the blacked out Milanese bracelet. And on my 17 centimeter wrist, as you can see, looks quite nice. Also from the front, from the side. Also a very cool feature here, or a nice feature, is that you have drilled lugs. So if you want to change strap, that makes it much easier. But they already supplied you with another strap, which is this, or supplied me in this case, which is a red kind of a 2-piece NATO strap, which is really nice, and I think goes really well with the red dot. What you get also is a certificate and an instruction manual and a small tool. Don't know what you would use this tool for, but yeah. I know, to change actually the position of the Milanese bracelet. That's actually quite nice, because sometimes you don't have like a small tool that you can just adjust the size of the Milanese bracelet, and that helps. I think that's not my size, but I'll just put it anyways. And then you can see you have here a.b.art on the buckle. And I think it looks really nice on this Milanese PVD strap. Pretty nice watch. If you're into Bauhaus design, minimal designs, I think for this price, there are not really a lot of stuff that can compete with this watch, in my opinion. But anyways, let me know in the comment section what you think about this watch. And yeah, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave it in the comments below. And as always, this invitation to like, subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.